It's a video on how to light the fireplace. The first thing you need to do is make sure that this switch is up, which is on for the fireplace. The next thing you do is you take off this little grill. You lift it straight up about a ½ inch and then it should pull away. Once you set the grill on the ground, this is the control valve. You'll want to turn it counterclockwise while you're pushing it in till it stops. It's about that angle. And then as you're pushing it in, you want to hit the sparker. That would activate the pilot light. Right now, the pilot light is not on. You'll see it in a minute. This takes 2 hands, so I'm just going to hit the sparker as I push in on this. When you push in, the flow of gas happens. So I'll be right back. Okay, once the pilot light is lit, looks like that. Sorry about the video. You can see that, hopefully it's that purple thing in there. You want to hold this in for at least 60 seconds. And why you need to do that is the pilot light is actually heating up something called a thermopile. It's a little thing that says, hey, I've got a flame. And it takes about a minute for it to get hot enough. So I'm going to pause and wait for a minute to pass. Okay, it's been long enough. The pilot stays on. So the next thing, I'm going to try to pull the phone back so you can maybe see this, is you rotate counterclockwise. And I don't know if you heard that, but there's the flame. It's normal for condensation in the air to collect and make the screen hard to see. I had it on a little while, so a lot of the condensation has evaporated. After a little while, it will all evaporate out. So that's how you light it. In order to turn it off, you can simply go over to the wall and hit that switch. That will turn the circuitry off to kill the big flame, but the pilot light will stay lit. A pilot light costs about $20 to $25 a month in gas, so I normally didn't keep it lit, especially during the summertime. So to turn the pilot light off, what we're going to do is kind of reverse the order. This will also shut off the flames. I'm going to turn the valve counterclockwise. See, the flames went off. Pilot's still on. You have to pull it out. Maybe it's push it. You have to push it in slightly. And I'm going to turn it the rest of the way, and hopefully you saw the pilot light go off. And that's off for summertime. So the last thing, either once you light it or leave the pilot light on, is to go ahead and rehang the little grate. And I'm hoping you can see what you're doing. It's about a 1/4 inch that you lift it up and over these little pegs right here. Get the focus there. So that's about all there is to it.